number 7. Question is, in an AP, sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. Okay. The question is, there are 3 consecutive terms in AP such a way that their sum is 27 and their product is 504. Okay. Here in textbook, in bracket they mention that assume that 3 consecutive terms in AP are A minus D, A and A plus D. So we will start our solution by assuming that 3 terms. Let 3 consecutive terms in an AP are A minus D, this is first term, A, second term, A plus D. Okay. Now here in the question, there are 2 conditions given, like linear equation in 2 variables. So from that 2 condition, we have to create 2 equations and we will get the solution. Okay. So according to the first condition, so what give the first condition is given? Sum of these numbers is 27. Sum of these numbers is 27. Okay, that means A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 27. Okay. Now if you open the bracket here, minus D and plus D, like terms having opposite signs, that get cancelled and we will get A plus A plus A is equal to 3A. 3A is equal to 27. Therefore, A is equal to 27 divided by 3. Therefore, A is equal to 9. Okay. We got one variable A equal to 9. Now, according to second condition. According to the second condition, so second condition is given, their product is 504. Product of these numbers is 504. Now these numbers means which number? A minus D, A plus D. So we will arrange these numbers in the form of product. Bracket A minus D into A plus D is equal to 504. Okay. Now here we got the value of A. So we will substitute value of A. A minus D means 9 minus D into 9 plus D is equal to 504. Followed up to this. Now this 9 is single term which is multiplied here. That we will take on right hand side. So it gets dy. So 9 minus D into 9 plus D is equal to 504 divided by 9. Up to this understood? Now next step. Now see, these brackets are in the form of A plus D, A minus D. So as we know that the product of these brackets is A square minus B square. So here A is 9 and B is D. So according to that formula here we will get 9 square minus D square is equal to, now divide 504 by 9. First we will get 9 5s are 45. Then 50 minus 45, 54. 9 6s are 54. Okay. Now we have to make square of 9. 81 minus D square is equal to 56. Now we will take this D square on this side and 56 on this side. 81 minus 56 is equal to D square. Now subtract this. 81 minus 56. 11 minus 6, 5. And 7 minus 5, 2. Equal to D square. So D square is equal to 25. D square is equal to 25. Therefore, D is equal to plus minus 5, as the square root may be positive or negative. Okay. So this way we got A and D. Now if you substitute this value in these numbers, we will get the value of all the three consecutive terms. So first we will assume A is equal to 9 and D is equal to plus 5. Okay, so first term is A minus D. A minus D is equal to 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. Second term is A, which is equal to 9. And third term is A plus D, which is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So we got three numbers, 4, 9, 14. Now we will assume D is equal to minus 5. Now A equal to 9 and D is equal to minus 5. So first term is A minus D equal to 9 minus 5. Now this minus into minus plus. So 9 plus 5, 14. Then next term is A, which is equal to 9. Next term is A plus D, which is equal to 9 plus minus 5. So plus minus minus and 9 minus 5, 4. So our required consecutive terms are either 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. Followed? So we will write the answer. Therefore, required terms are 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. Followed? Now, question number 9. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term. Okay. So here what is given, student? Ninth term of an AP is 0. Okay. So we will write this solution as a given to prove and prove. So given part is 9 term is 0. 9 term is denoted as T9 is equal to 0. To prove, what we have to prove? The 29th term is means T29 is means equal to twice the 19th term means 2 multiplied by 19th term means T19. Okay. Now we will start proof. Now the question is related to terms in AP. So we have to use here nth term of an AP formula. Okay. So we know that formula. Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 bracket close into D. Now which term is given in the question? 9th term. So here we will find out 9th term. T9 equal to A plus n is equal to 9. So 9 minus 1 into D. Therefore, now 9th term is given 0. So 0 equal to A plus 8D. Okay. Now we got the linear equation in two variables A and D. We will write that equation in proper way. A plus 8D is equal to 0. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Now we have to prove T29 is equal to 2 into T19. Okay. So first we will find out T19. Therefore, T19 is equal to, we have to apply the same formula. T19 is equal to A plus bracket 19 minus 1 into D. Therefore, T19 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1, 18D. Okay. Therefore, T19 is equal to A plus, now we will split this 18D in the form of addition of two terms. Here we have A plus 8D equal to 0. So we will take one of the factor 8D plus 10D. Understood? 18D I wrote as 8D plus 10D. Now here A plus 8D, this value is equal to 0. Therefore, T19 is equal to 0 plus 10D. Therefore, T19 is equal to 10D. And why we got here answer 0? Here reason we will write from 1. And for this statement we will give statement number 2. Understood? Now we have to find out T29. We will find here. Therefore, T29. So again we will apply the same formula. T29 is equal to A plus n is equal to 29. 29 minus 1 into D. Okay. Therefore, T29 is equal to A plus 28D. Therefore, T29 is equal to A plus, again we will split this 28D in the sum of two numbers. And one of the number we will take 8D. So if you take here 8D, so here we will get 8D plus 20D. So 8D plus 20D is equal to 28D. Now again here we got A plus 8D and A plus 8D is equal to 0. Therefore, T29 is equal to 0 plus 20D. And here reason we will write from 1. Therefore, T29 is equal to 20D. Okay. Now we will find the factors of 20. And one of the factor we will take 10D. So 10 to the 20. So the factors of 20 we will get 2 into 10. Therefore, T29 is equal to 2 multiplied by 10D. Okay. And here 10D is equal to T19. Therefore, T29 is equal to 2 into T19. And reason we will write from 2. So this way we proved 29 term is twice the 19 term. Followed?